Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are thinking, Natasha, why do you have the exact same top on that you had in the previous video? And that is because I filmed 2 videos in one day. I didn't want to waste the opportunity. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to create a orange and yellow eyeshadow look, hence the orange top that I'm wearing. So let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm going to do my brows really quick. If you are looking at my base makeup, ooh, that mat is really dirty. So if you are looking at my base makeup and you are thinking, that looks really nice, you can watch my previous video and I did a review of 2 sorbet brushes that I picked up from Clicks. So I'll link that video somewhere on the screen and you can go and watch that. I don't know why I brush my brows like that, because it looks weird. So again, today I'm doing powder brows just because I really liked how it looked in the previous video. I actually don't like using a handheld mirror. I want to do this. Just because up close my brow looks weird, so I want some distance between. Oh my god, my spoolie broke. Okay, I have no idea where that went, so I'm just gonna use the spoolie on the back of my Revolution brow brush. I knew that spoolie was broken. Well, I knew it was loose. I didn't expect it to make an escape when I was filming a video. But yeah, that happened. Nowadays I'm taking so many chances with my makeup because I wear glasses, and to be honest, my brow looks very blurry from where I'm sitting compared to where the mirror is. So I don't know why I'm trying to be all brave. You know? That mirror is dirty, that mirror is dirty. This mirror, I feel like it's lying. But let's just do them. Woo. So now that my brows are done, I'm going to be going into... I was moving back on the chair, that looks really weird. So I'm going in to the Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous Morphe palette. Alright. I'm going in with this shade. These 2 shades. I'm going to dip in to the orange brown first and then the dark brown, and then I'm just going to pack that onto my lid. And obviously it comes out brown, so I'm going to tap into that orange a bit more. And this is just a big fluffy brush. I don't even think it's meant for eyeshadow, but I use it for eyeshadow. So just packing that all over my lid and bringing that into my crease over here. Just kind of trying to create that definition towards the front of my eye. I'm really loving bigger fluffy eyeshadow brushes. I think I like big brushes in general. Because whenever I get brushes, whenever I buy brushes, they are typically really small, and I have small eyes, but that doesn't necessarily mean I want small brushes for my small eyes. I just find brushes like this a lot easier and a lot quicker for me to work with. just blending that out. You can do this move and pull your brow up. Just make sure the color goes towards your brow, you know. That looks really nice. So I'm going to dip into this yellow. Alright. And I'm going to go right here, which is literally the blended part of the previous two eyeshadow shades, and kind of give a hue of yellow on the perimeter of the eyeshadow. I don't want it to be too noticeable, but I want it to kind of blend that shades into my skin. You know, I don't want the eyeshadow to be too harsh. That's correct, Natasha. You know what you're trying to say. Do I want to put concealer on? I should probably put concealer on. Where is a concealer brush here? So, going in with some concealer. So, for this part, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal More Than Concealer in the shade 332, which is the shade that I use to conceal my under eyes. So, I'm just going to do a cut crease. I haven't done, no I have, that's a lie. I almost said I haven't done this in a while. If you want to see how I created, if you want to watch me, if you want to learn how to do a cut crease on hooded eyes, I have a video up and I will link it in this video so that you can go and watch that if you would like to learn. So just carefully drawing my cut crease. I don't want it to be a full cut crease. I kind of want it to end there. Blending the eyeshadow in to the concealer. And making sure there isn't a harsh line. So kind of pressing it forward like such. Before we add anything else. So now going into that yellow, I'm going to use this brush. I don't know if I said this before, but my brushes are dirty and I need to wash them today because this is not working for me, okay? I have a handful of eyeshadow brushes that I use on the daily and I always wash them every second day, but I didn't have a chance to get to them last week. Definitely need lashes for this look. We can leave it just like this, or we can go in with that coin color, which I'm going to do. I'm going to use this. I don't think I should, but I don't have another brush. So, you know, let's do it. So this is like a yellow shimmer, but it's such a different color. I haven't seen anything like this in an eyeshadow palette besides this eyeshadow palette, so I think it's pretty cool. You know? I didn't even show you guys which color I'm talking about. I'm talking about this one. This one over here. I don't think the camera does it justice, but it's really pretty. Like that would make a really nice inner corner highlight. Just going in with the excess of this brush. I'm gonna have to look up for this. Wow, my bun is huge. Really love this brush, hey? Okay, so now that my lashes are on, I'm going to go in with some mascara to kind of mesh my lashes into the fake ones. I actually think this is easier than putting mascara on and then putting lashes on, especially if you are like me and you don't have an eyelash curler, you know. Okay, I need a mirror for this. Ooh, who knew? My lash came out and I missed. So just coating those lower lashes. I don't know if I want to do a pink lip or if I want to do my regular brown, you know. Let's just do this today. So I'm gonna use my brown lip liner, but I'm gonna use the pink color today. All right. I don't know what that sound is, so I'm so sorry. I'm going to take this and just cover that. Actually looks really pretty. I'm gonna go in with some Ofra highlighter in Blissful. I don't know why I paused that long. I was looking at it and I was like, are you really called that? But it is. So let's just put enough highlight on for the world, you know. So I'm blending it out like this today because I think in the previous video I was a little streaky. So just to be mindful of that today, I'm just going to blend it in instead of just placing it on. Get that all up in my skin. Yes. Just want to get this little nose moment over here. So I'm going to go in with my inner corner highlight now and just work that in. Right over here. Same thing over here. This is becoming like a whole vibe for me. I'm really loving highlight my inner corner underneath my brow. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed watching it and that you learned something. Please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!